Hi guys, today I am really excited to present one of the most advanced headphones in the market. It's been recently launched by Lenovo, and I'm speaking about the Lenovo ThinkPlus bone conduction Headphone X5. This is a very advanced headphone, especially designed for swimming. Yes, I say for swimming. This is a tool that you will use if you're practicing a sport or swimming. It's really amazing. Some of the more specific features include Bluetooth 5.0, battery capacity of 135 megaamperes, a rate input of 100 milliamperes, a charging time of 2 hours, and applying time in the case you're using with the MT3 storage of about 6 hours. This is the box, and I'm going to unboxing right now. I have just received it, and I'm really excited to open it and discover what can we find internally. Okay, let's see what's. Oh, here it is. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, here you are. Well, this is the they have a good box, very good quality, and here it is. You have it. These are the pieces that you're going to put behind your hairs. And well, let's check the rest of the tools. Well, it's a Bluetooth charger, which is very powerful. We have here all instructions that you can use. It's very simple package. It has not many things. It has a cover, a kind of protection, just in case it's bending. Well, and that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is an amazing headphone. You must give you the chance to prove it. It's not expensive at all. Approximately $40 for euros if you are in Europe. Well, below you can find the link to purchase it. You go directly with a special price for you. And click like if you like the video, click subscribe if you want to be updated, and click the bell to hear the new coming videos in the future. Have a nice day. Bye.